In the Inventory Adjustment Report, you can see any changes that were made to the inventory quantities manually from the View Adjust Inventory page. By default, you will be shown the last 7 days from today, but you can change this date range to any custom range. To change this date range, you have to click anywhere on the date field. Instead of a custom range, you can use one of the quick date ranges on the left side, like yesterday or last 30 days. Here, we're going to do a completely custom date range. In this section, we'll be selecting the start time and date, and in this section, the end time and date. In this report, you can see the product in which the change occurred, the before and after quantity, and the change in the quantity. You can filter this report by location or by product category. You can export this report directly from this page. If you have any questions about the Inventory Adjustment Report, please contact us by chat, phone, or email 24/7. We'll be happy to help you.